Hello and welcome to the tutorial on addition of three-digit numbers and tens. Let's begin with a nice easy example. What is 234 plus 40? 234 plus 40. Now, because we are going to do this using the vertical format, long addition, we are going to write this down in columns. So let's do that over here. 234 plus 40. Oops. Now, we can label the columns. In fact, let's do that. On the right hand side, the first column is the units column. The one next to it is the tens column, and this column over here is the hundreds column. Now, you probably know the routine by now. What we do is we add the columns one by one, and we always start with the column on the right hand side first. That is this column over here. So 4 plus 0, that's nice and easy, that's 4. So we simply write 4 over here. We've added the units, now we're going to add the tens column, and that is this column over here. 3 plus 4. So what is 3 plus 4? 3 plus 4 is, you can do this using the dots method, the number line, or simply using the fingers on your hand, but you should know this by now. 3 plus 4 is 7. And then we add the hundreds column. Well, in fact, we can't even put a circle around here. There we go. There's 0 over here. 2 plus 0 is, well, that's nice and easy, it's 2. And we have our answer. (234) plus 40 is 274. That is correct. Now let's look at a slightly more tricky example. What is 865 plus 80? 865 plus 80. So let's begin, as we always do, by writing this down in the vertical format. 865 plus 80. We can label the columns. We've got the units column here, tens column, and the hundreds column. So what is the first thing we do? Well, we add the column on the right hand side first. That is this one here, 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. We now add the tens column. 6 plus 8. Now, do you know what 6 plus 8 is? That's right, it is 14. Now, how do we write this down? Well, we put 1 over here, and we put 4 over here. Let's just scroll the screen down a little bit. There we go. So we've added the tens, and it comes to 14. This one here now becomes part of the hundreds column. So let's add the hundreds. Well, we've got 8 here, we've got nothing here, but we have got 1 at the bottom over here. So 8 plus 0 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, and that is our answer. Let's write it over here. Oops. 945. 865 plus 80 is 945. That is correct. So that is how we do addition of 3-digit numbers and tens. Always make sure you write it down in the correct format.